Let me start with a simple scenario. Imagine two Nigerians. Both of them earn in Naira. Both of them decide to start investing. The first person randomly downloads an app and starts investing without understanding how it works. The second person takes time to understand the differences between platforms before choosing. Fast forward 1 year. Both of them invested the same amount of money, but one ends up with better returns, fewer fees, and smoother withdrawals. The other struggles with charges, delays, and frustration. The difference? Not intelligence, just information. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to choose the right investment app between Bamboo, Risevest, and Trove. Let's make this real. Let's say you're a freelancer in Nigeria earning $500 monthly. Every time you convert your money and invest, the platform you use determines how much you actually keep. If one app gives you a slightly worse exchange rate, you may be losing money without realizing it. Now multiply that over 6 months, 1 year. That is real money lost. This is why experienced investors pay attention to platforms, because small differences become big outcomes over time. Now in Nigeria today, 3 major platforms dominate access to US stocks: Bamboo, Risevest, Trove. But here's what most people don't understand. These platforms are not competitors in the way you think. They are designed for different types of investors. Let's say you are a beginner. Maybe you just got your first remote job. You're earning small amounts in dollars and you want to start investing. You don't want stress. You don't want complexity. You just want something simple. This is where Bamboo fits. With Bamboo, you can sign up easily, fund your account, and start buying real US stocks within minutes. But here's what you must understand. If you are the type of person that buys and sells frequently, those small transaction costs can add up. Bamboo charges you a commission for executing each trade. It also charges you a fee to fund your account. So Bamboo is powerful, but only if you use it correctly. Now, imagine a different person. You have a full-time job. You are busy. You don't have time to study stocks or analyze companies. You just want your money to grow steadily. This is where Risevest comes in. With Risevest, you're not picking stocks yourself. Your money is placed into professionally managed portfolios. This removes stress, but it also means you're trusting the system to make decisions for you. So the real question is, do you want control or do you want convenience? Now imagine a third person. You've been investing for a while. You understand markets. You want more options, more control, more flexibility. This is where Trove becomes interesting. With Trove, you can access a wider range of assets. But here's the truth. If you're not experienced, it can feel overwhelming. Too many options can confuse beginners. So Trove is powerful, but only if you know what you're doing. Let's simplify everything. If you are just starting and want simplicity, Bamboo is a strong choice. If you want hands-off investing, Risevest makes more sense. If you want full control and flexibility, Trove is more powerful. But here is the real insight most people miss. You don't have to choose only one. Many serious investors use multiple platforms for different purposes.
Let me say something important. No app will make you rich. There are people using the best platforms who are still losing money. And there are people using simple platforms who are building real wealth. The difference is not the app. It is discipline, consistency, and understanding what you are doing. The goal is not just to start. The goal is to build something that lasts. And that starts with choosing the right tools and using them consistently over time. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the Prosperity Plot and click the thumbs up. In the next video, we'll break down why you're always broke and how to fix it in Nigeria. And the answer might surprise you. This is the Prosperity Plot. Plot your path to wealth.